Let's be honest, college is expensive. Tuition, textbooks, rent, food, that coffee addiction you've developed, right? I mean, does that hit close to home or what? Every single little thing just adds up so incredibly fast. Finding the right job right now isn't just about having some weekend spending money for pizza. It's a crucial survival tactic to reduce those heavy loan burdens so you can actually graduate with some breathing room.
But real quick, before we go any further, make sure you tap that link in the description and grab the free cheat sheet to help you get hired as quickly as possible. And while you are there, please like and subscribe. It helps send the message out and benefit your friends and family and others to get hired.
Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. We're breaking this whole thing down into 4 parts. 1. The jobs. 2. Unlocking hidden job benefits. 3. Landing the job fast. And finally, 4. The work-life survival guide.
Let's start right off with Section 1, the jobs.
So here is the big secret. Not all college jobs are created equal. It's basically a massive split between flexible hourly jobs and career-building jobs. On one side, you've got what I like to call your right-now money. These are your retail, grocery, and food service gigs. They keep cash in your pocket today, and they give you schedule flexibility. On the flip side, we have your future career roles. Think about internships aligned with your major, research assistant positions, or on-campus jobs like working the IT desk or being an RA. Both are incredibly valuable, but they serve completely different purposes in your overall college playbook.
Now, if you need that right-now money with a schedule that actually bends around your classes, these are the absolute top flexible options you should be zeroing in on. For retail, look at high-volume employers. Think Target, Costco, Best Buy. In food and grocery, Starbucks, Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, Whole Foods, and Trader Joe's are fantastic options. If you want even more independence, warehouse roles at Amazon or UPS, or gig work like DoorDash, Uber, and TaskRabbit are incredible for setting your own hours. And hey, don't forget freelance work. You can do writing, design, social media management, literally right from your dorm room.
All right, moving on to Section 2, unlocking hidden job benefits.
I really want you to lean in here, because we're talking about the hidden loot. Yes, an hourly wage is great, but we're talking about tuition assistance. Companies like Starbucks, Amazon, and Chipotle offer absolute game-changing perks that literally help pay for your education while you work there. There is no way you should ignore that. Beyond that, look closely for jobs that offer health insurance eligibility, 401k retirement plans so you can start building long-term wealth early, and employee discounts. Because let's face it, getting a discount on food or groceries at a place you already shop, that's basically an immediate raise.
Next up, Section 3, landing the job fast. Because look, knowing where to apply is only half the battle. Now I'm going to give you the actionable cheat codes you need to perfectly structure your applications and completely nail the interview. The absolute most crucial point for your resume is this. Highlight your education first. You're a student. Own it. Put it right at the top. Next, use measurable achievements. Don't just list out generic daily duties. Use numbers and data to show your actual impact. That instantly makes you stand out from the massive stack of other student resumes. And finally, always include relevant projects and skills you've picked up in your classes. And when you do score that interview, just run this simple 1, 2, 3, 4 playbook. 1. Research the company beforehand so you actually know their values. 2. You absolutely must use the STAR method for behavioral questions. That means structuring your answers by explaining the situation, the task, the action you took, and the result. It works every time. 3. Always ask thoughtful questions at the end of the interview. And 4. Follow up. A simple thank you email shows you are highly professional and you are serious about the role. And that brings us to Section 4, the Work-Life Survival Guide. Time for some real talk. Gaining the job and unlocking all those benefits is awesome. But how do you actually balance work and school without completely losing your mind? It's honestly the single biggest challenge you will face as a working student. If you just wing it without a plan, your academics or your health will eventually break. So let's set up the ultimate survival rules you need to follow to thrive. Here are your hard boundaries, the survival rules. Number 1, and this is a big one, strictly limit your work to 15 to 25 hours a week during the school semester. Any more than that, and you are putting your grades at serious risk. Number 2, use time blocking and planning to map out your entire week. Number 3, fiercely protect your study time. Treat it exactly like a paid shift you cannot miss or be late for. And number 4, over-communicate with your employers. Let them know your exam schedules and major project deadlines way in advance.
Which naturally leads us right into your mental health non-negotiables.
Guys, listen to me. A college paycheck is never, ever worth sacrificing your well-being. You have to exercise regularly to manage that stress. You absolutely must get 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Seriously, we have to stop glorifying the all-nighter. Eat well, stay socially connected with your friends, and most importantly, seek help when you are feeling overwhelmed.
But real quick, before we go any further, make sure you tap that link in the description and grab the free cheat sheet to help you get hired as quickly as possible. And while you are there, please like and subscribe. It helps send the message out and benefits your friends and family and others to get hired.
So I want to leave you with this one final thought to chew on. Are you just earning money, or are you building your future? Think about it. Every shift you work, every dollar you save, every connection you make, it should all be a stepping stone. Choose the jobs that offer flexibility, aggressively hunt down those hidden benefits, and always, always protect your mental health. The ultimate goal here is maintaining your academic success while setting yourself up for life.